Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisage Academy. This is Sudipto, founder of Jurisage. So let's start with the legal talk for today. In the first legal talk, we are going to talk about the UGC Guidelines battle that is going on. UGC is quite adamant they are going to conduct the exam by 30th September, whereas the petitioners are saying the UGC is not taking care of their health and this guideline is basically violating the Article 14 and 21 of the petitioners. So let's see, the Supreme Court is going to intervene on 10th August. Now, in the next legal talk, we're going to talk about the highway project. Basically, India and Myanmar in 2016 signed an agreement that is called Act East Policy. This is important, you can jot it down. In the Act East Policy, basically, they had to build one trilateral highway between India, Manipur, and Thailand. And the project was given to the Neeraj Cement, and that has to be completed by 2018. But due to the delay in the project, the central basically cut ties with the Neeraj Cement, and after that they filed legal suit in Manipur High Court, and the case is still pending, and also stay has been placed by the Apex Court too. In the next legal talk, we're going to talk about the pregnant law student case. Supreme Court basically orders Delhi High Court to show the result for the pregnant law student who was unable to attend the class in her final years due to her pregnancy, but Delhi University basically withhold her result, though her batchmates' result were shown. Now, in the next legal talk, we're going to talk about the COVID-19 frontline workers. Now, some states basically like Karnataka, Punjab, Delhi, these states basically they are not paying the frontline workers timely, and as a result, the frontline workers they approach the court. The Supreme Court orders those states to pay on time, and side by side they also ask the state governments to follow the central guidelines regarding the National Disaster Management Act, and also Supreme Court orders those states to take care of other two factors, that is, one is risk mitigating factors for the frontline workers, and the second is accommodation for the doctors. Now let's talk about the High Court news. In the first High Court news, we are going to talk about the PIL has been filed in Kerala High Court challenging a state government decisions where the Kerala government basically allowed more than 100% gathering in religious matters. Now here in response to this particular, Kerala High Court said that the central government guideline nowhere mentioning about any number, and state government basically mentioned the 100 people can gather in religious proceeding. That particular state government decision is nowhere is in conflict with the central guidelines. In the next legal talk, we're going to talk about the Telangana High Court basically allowed the media coverage for old Secretariat building demolition. And here in this case, basically after the bifurcation of the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, both the old Secretariat building is going to get demolished and new Secretariat building is going to get built. In the next legal talk, we are going to talk about the Israj Jahan case. In the Israj Jahan case, basically Delhi High Court orders for extension for police investigation for another 60 days, and Israj Jahan challenged this particular order of Delhi High Court, and in response to that challenge, Delhi High Court said under Section 43 of Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, court has the power to grant the extension if it is satisfied that all the progress of the investigation is going on smoothly. Now, these are the legal talk that we have for today, and there are other legal updates. Kindly check it out. That is also important for your exam. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel because we come up with legal talk every day. Thank you. See you soon.